Cabbage is the unexpected hero of 2026's food world. Once overlooked, it's now the centerpiece of viral recipes, restaurant menus, and social media feeds. Cabbage-Core is more than a meme. It's a movement. Chefs and home cooks are rediscovering cabbage's versatility, from fermented kimchi and sauerkraut to roasted wedges and raw salads. The science behind cabbage's rise is simple. It's affordable, nutrient-dense, and packed with fiber and antioxidants. As food costs climb and health trends dominate, cabbage offers comfort, nutrition, and endless creative potential.
Picture the sizzle of cabbage caramelizing in a hot pan, the tang of kimchi waking up your senses, the crunch of a fresh slaw at a summer picnic. Cabbage isn't just food, it's nostalgia, innovation, and a little bit of rebellion. It's the taste of family dinners, street markets, and new beginnings. In a world chasing novelty, cabbage feels like a return to roots, but with a twist. Every bite is a story, every recipe a celebration of simplicity and surprise.
Fermentation is fueling the craze. From Korean kimchi to German sauerkraut, cabbage's ability to transform through science, microbial fermentation, makes it a star in gut health and flavor. Fermented cabbage is rich in probiotics, supporting digestion and immunity. The process is ancient, but the appeal is modern, tangy, funky, and alive. Social media is filled with DIY fermentation guides, and brands are launching new cabbage-based products every month.
There's magic in watching cabbage bubble and change, in tasting something that's alive with flavor and history. Fermentation is a ritual, a slow transformation that connects us to generations past. It's messy, unpredictable, and deeply satisfying. The first bite of homemade kimchi is a thrill, a burst of heat and sourness that feels like a secret unlocked.
Cabbage is also a champion of sustainability. It grows quickly, stores well, and thrives in diverse climates. Farmers are embracing cabbage for its resilience and low environmental impact. In kitchens, it's a zero-waste hero. Leaves, cores, and stems all find their way into dishes. The science of cabbage's hardiness is driving its popularity among chefs and eco-conscious eaters alike.
In a world worried about waste, cabbage is a quiet revolution. It's the ingredient that refuses to be thrown away, the vegetable that adapts to every cuisine. From street food stalls in Manila to fine dining in Paris, cabbage is the common thread, a symbol of resourcefulness and creativity.
Global flavors are shaping the cabbage renaissance. Filipino achara, Japanese okonomiyaki, Polish bigos, and Mexican curtido are just a few examples. Each dish highlights cabbage's ability to absorb spices, sauces, and textures. The science of flavor pairing is at work. Cabbage's mildness lets bold ingredients shine, while its crunch adds contrast.
Cabbage is a passport to the world. Every recipe is a journey, sweet, sour, spicy, and savory. It's the taste of home and the thrill of discovery. In 2026, cabbage isn't just a vegetable, it's a movement, a mood, and a memory.
Nutrition science is another reason for cabbage's popularity. Rich in vitamin C, K, and folate, cabbage supports immune health and metabolism. Its high fiber content aids digestion and satiety, making it a favorite for wellness-focused eaters. Researchers are exploring cabbage's role in cancer prevention and gut microbiome diversity, adding scientific weight to its culinary appeal.
Eating cabbage feels like an act of self-care. It's the crunch that wakes you up, the tang that makes you smile, the comfort that grounds you. Whether it's a bowl of soup on a rainy day or a spicy salad at a bustling market, cabbage brings warmth and energy to every meal.
Social media has amplified the craze. Viral TikTok recipes, Instagram reels of roasted cabbage steaks, and YouTube tutorials on fermentation have made cabbage cool again. Influencers and chefs are sharing hacks for maximizing flavor and texture, while brands launch limited edition cabbage snacks and drinks.
Cabbage is a star in the digital age. It's the ingredient that bridges generations, cultures, and trends. Watching a chef transform cabbage into something beautiful is a reminder that food is art, and every meal is a chance to create.
Cabbage's affordability is key in a time of rising food prices. It's accessible to all, making it a staple in kitchens from Manila to New York. Its long shelf life and adaptability mean less waste and more value for families and restaurants alike.
Cabbage is comfort in uncertain times. It's the taste of resilience, the flavor of hope. In every bite, there's a story of survival, creativity, and joy, a reminder that even the simplest ingredients can spark a revolution.
Like, follow and stick around for the next story.